Fortunes made in morning light, or they're gone by the night. I see the rise, I see the fall. I hear the brokers on the call. Betting big, I risk it all. I'm short in stocks, I'm feeling bold. Buy it high, I sell it cold. Risk the loss to chase the goal. Stock sharks swim where tales are told. Penny dreams, they catch my eye. Double down or wave goodbye. Tickers ticking, time to fly. Catch that wave or watch it die. Options open, futures bright. Sell the fear and buy the fight. Markets moving day and night. Who's the prey, who takes a bite? I see the rise, I see the fall. I hear the brokers on the call. Betting big, I risk it all. I'm short in stocks, I'm feeling bold. Buy it high, I sell it cold. Risk the loss to chase the goal. Stock sharks swim where tales are told. Wake up early, sun ain't now. Coffee steaming, market shout. Charts are dancing up and down. I'm the king, I wear the crown. Green and red, they flash so bright. Numbers jumping left and right. Fortunes made in morning light, or they're gone by the night. I see the rise, I see the fall. I hear the brokers on the call. Betting big, I risk it all. I'm short in stocks, I'm feeling bold. Buy it high, I sell it cold. Risk the loss to chase the goal. Stock sharks swim where tales are told. Penny dreams, they catch my eye. Double down or wave goodbye. Tickers ticking, time to fly. Catch that wave or watch it die. Options open, futures bright. Sell the fear and buy the fight. Markets moving day and night. Who's the prey, who takes a bite? I see the rise, I see the fall. I hear the brokers on the call. Betting big, I risk it all. I'm short in stocks, I'm feeling bold. Buy it high, I sell it cold. Risk the loss to chase the goal. Stock sharks swim where tales are told. Wake up early, sun ain't now. Coffee steaming, market shout.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. Woke up from my morning nap after work. Pretty much sat down at the computer and boom, Rhea was already popping. Wasn't even close to being ready to go live yet, so unfortunately didn't get this one live here, but absolutely beautiful move here on Rhea. Shooting up from 70 cents all the way up to, got to $1.20. I got in up to 2,000 shares. My average was 103 something, 103 and, change, whatever. And pieced it out as it came back down. Took half off down there at 1. Took another 500 off down towards 90, and then took the final 500 as it came down towards 80 cents there. And you can see since then it's even gone red now. But yeah, really good start to the morning here on Rhea. Already a bigger day today than all of yesterday and Friday combined, if you want to combine that as well. Thank you, Adley. I will take it for sure. Yeah, I played Halo 3. I didn't like it as much as Halo 2, but I played a lot of Halo 3. A lot. Yeah, got a good one to start today, Scarman. Wasn't live for it, unfortunately, because I literally just sat down and started loading everything up when Raya popped up. Turned out to be one of those pumpers that completely dies off into red, but I can't complain. I always like to take it easier and more cautious in pre-market anyway. Whew, all right. Sorry, I was dealing with some HOA stuff. HOAs can be so annoying, man. Like, just chill, people. CVV, little pumpy this morning. CVD Equipment Corp. Quite the range capability in it. Pre-market high was 454. Maybe you could try a stab if it makes a nice move up through the highs. So you do work for the government. What does an HOA have to do with the government? An HOA is a homeowners association. All right. See if it can move up towards 5 here. That was a really quick pop there. Wasn't quite ready on that. This one's actually easy to borrow, which is nice. I got my watch on. I was like, why didn't my watch go off for that email I just got? Probably because I'm not wearing it. Home of aliens? Yes, I have aliens living in my home. You got me. No, they sent out a stupid letter, like the yearly letter this morning. And it's like, going forward, if you guys do this, we're gonna impart significant fines. Like, oh my god, fuck off, people. Chill with your power grab. I didn't do anything. It was just, it was sent out to, like, everybody in the neighborhood. See if CVV can push again here. I think HOAs are good to an extent. Like, just have some basic rules. Like, you gotta keep things clean, looking good, can't have junk everywhere. But other than that, like, F off. It is my property. I'm gonna do what I want. And I live in a very nice neighborhood. Like, ain't nobody doing anything crazy. Sorry. Stuff just annoys me. It annoys me, Adley, and I'm tired. So I get double annoyed when I'm tired. But we greened so far today, so gotta be happy about that. Now, can we get some more trading in then the last few days? Oh, let me put Raya back. Well, I guess I'll keep CVV up for now. In case it wants to go again. What'd you have for breakfast today, Adley? What'd you have? I had 3 grapes so far. Didn't even get my drink yet because I heard CVV in my ear again. It's not really popping yet. I'd have to get back up through 450 and push towards the highs. Keep my ear out. Doesn't look like it wanted to go yet. Let me put that up on my other side of my screen here to keep my eye on it. Do you have any of the old videos from the first channel? Nope, not a one. Not a single one. That's one of my big regrets, is getting rid of that channel. But I was going through it at the time. I was going through it. Obviously, GDT version 2 has not taken off like that channel had been. But is what it is. No. Do you know how many videos I had? I would need multiple hard drives. And then what would I have been saving them for? Plus, I wouldn't want to really look back and see how fat I was, because I know I was super fat. I want to see how fat I was. Every once in a while, I'll see an older picture of me, I'll be like, oh my god. Yeah, it'd be rough. YouTube featured? Isn't that just because you're subscribed to me? I don't think that's anything out of the norm. You're literally like #1 on mine every morning. Like if I click on YouTube right now. Yep, you're literally #1 on mine and you're not even live yet. I thought you couldn't even see dislikes anymore. Oh, really? That's weird. Why is that a thing? YouTube was like, we're getting rid of dislikes, but if you really want to see it, we got a Chrome extension for that. Seems a little strange. Got a good one this morning though, Tim. Too bad David doesn't trade pre-market anymore. People would love that. Well, I get like having it for them internally. He still does it for the sub $2 ones. But anything over $2, he's been doing that other strat. Is that really why it happened? Because he got dislike bombed? He's turning into old Tinker Tim over there. Also, I don't get why people like Counter-Strike. This is completely unrelated, but I don't understand the fascination with Counter-Strike. Oh, really? I didn't know that. That's pretty funny. Or if I did know it, I forgot it because my brain can't hold the capacity that it used to. Or maybe it's just got so much stuff in there that it's all filled up. I know, but I don't like the style of shooting. Maybe it's just me. I don't like it's just like a... I tried to play the other one that was kind of like that. I forget what it was called. It was like a Counter-Strike ripoff, but it was like with kind of halfway between like Fortnite and COD graphics. I think the other one was free too. I forget what it was called. Because isn't CS old? Valorant, that's the one. That's what I was trying to think of. Thank you, Scarman. Yeah, I played that for a little bit, and I just don't like that style of shooting. Well, it has the same shooting style. But it's not realistic because in real life you're not like and just popping headshots. I don't know. I know it's hugely popular, so obviously it's just a me thing, but I think the thing I like watching most is just the people do the cases. Gamble on the cases is the most entertaining thing of that for me. Spend more money on gun skins, yeah. That's all our boys want is stuff to get stuff for their games. When you have a sleepover at my new house, I don't know. Tim will be here if he comes to the wedding, because the wedding, at least the ceremony, is going to be in the front yard. As long as it doesn't rain. We're actually getting ready to send the invites out for that soon. Yeah. Bro, we're so far behind on everything. Don't even have like her other part of her ring yet. Like the wedding band. Don't have that. Still haven't gotten our flights for the honeymoon. We're so far behind. We'll see how well this thing goes together. An investment. That's a bold strategy to go with. If Adderley's coming, then he doxed me somehow. Just grabbed a nice trade, then why aren't you live, sir? To be fair, I didn't get mine live either. So I can't say anything. ASNS moving a little bit here. Would need much more of a pop than that. Locates are fine. Ooh, wrestling match? Hmm. I mean, I'm not scared of them. Just gotta stop out if it does the thing. But that's probably been like 75% of my trades this year has been in pre-market. So without them, I would be having a very boring year. Maybe I'll get scared of them if one smacks me, but I generally try and do them much quicker and not hold as long in pre-market for that reason. All right, we're gonna get a little perky here, get up through 50 cents. Ooh, I'll win that one. Right, gonna get a decent pop through 50 cents, I should have said, not a 1 center move. I won you on you in PGA on Xbox. Swing stick only, no buttons. I will 1v1 either of you in any test of strength. Except for maybe if it involves your knees. Maybe that one I'll concede. Did you start lifting yet? Didn't you say you were gonna do that week or two ago? Yeah, it'll just take a little bit for the body to adjust back into it. I lost like all my strength over the couple months that I was surgerized. It was ridiculous. I didn't like I knew I was gonna lose some strength, but I didn't realize how much strength I was gonna lose. If you don't use it, you lose it, I guess. He actually hit the live button at 9:15 today. Look at him. Look at him. Gross. What? What? I thought you said you had a good trade this morning. That's $42. What happened to your hundreds? Mm. Yeah, I saw when Trump came out with the halting of the bombing. Should have just gone long at 7 a.m., duh. I don't think that math is mathing. Math is hard. You telling me, bro? Worked all night. I took a 1 hour nap. All right, Tim's kids, don't go to him for homework help. Started at 400K though. Ooh, RB&E moving. So you can get up through 130. All right, getting a partial fill there at 132. 310 of the shares. RBNE. Oh, there's the fill on the rest. All right, in at 131. Starter here. See if it moves up towards 150. Put them out at 121 in case it makes a quick move down. All right, here's move. Ooh, tried to get it there. Didn't fill yet. Cancel that order and wait. All right, watching it again. Alright, getting a partial. Okay, got that. In at 138 now. We got 7 minutes till the open. Let's see if we start coming back down here. Is it going to make the move under that 140 spot that it held up there again? My average price? I mean, I know what my average price is. Hmm. Uh, it would never do such a thing. Yeah, I probably won't add it just because I'm set in my ways. I would like to see that though. If I had a hammer, I'd build a house for two. And if I had a sailing ship, I'd take a trip with you. And if I had the poet's hand, I'd write a verse for thee. And if I had the painter's touch, on canvas you would be. But I don't have a hammer, and I don't have a ship, so I can't build a house, and we can't take a trip, and I'll never be a poet, nor have the painter's grace, so I'll never write your verse, nor immortalize your face. And also, I have herpes. We got 3 minutes till open. Upside, inside out. All right, looks like I'll be holding it into the open, which is not my favorite spot to be in. All right, come on down. Get back under 150. Come on, break 150. All right, I'm going to take a good chunk off there. See if it wants to come down further. Otherwise, I'm not going to let this really go much against me. See if it can get under 140 here. All right, come on down, break 140. All right, gonna take another 300 off there. Reset my stop now. Just gonna put it at 143 for the last 200. We'll see if it continues down further. See if we can get under 130 here. I'll take another 100. And then I'll try and leave the last 100 and see if it just gives back the whole move. Scanner is screaming at me right now. Whoa, Tesla with a big pop off the bottom. All right, 1 penny higher. All right, and stopped out the rest there, so no big deal. Take another win on the day. All right, now we can focus on what's happening here at the open. AAOI with a huge pop up again today. Whoops, I forgot to put RBNE in the room. What's up, Z? Indo has mega range potential. Probably not touch that one. Kinda watching NIXX, but it needs a little something extra. EVV now has halt potentials because of the range in it. Oh, is Tim gonna take a long? BE, bit of a drop here. Market is dropping. See if it makes a nice flush under 140. Okay, here we go. Watching it. Give me a little bit more. Give me under 139. Oh, Tim getting filled. Let's go. Look at that one. Look at that bounce back. Let's go. Nice one, Tim. Nice one. AOI, did it give up the move? Oh man, yeah, that one's pulling back. Put in a pullback handle here on BE, so I'll need more than just a 139 flush now. Alright, good start to the day. Let's keep it going now, market. BE is now consolidated here, so nothing to do there at the moment. ASTS, pretty good move here. It just also had a little pullback, so I need more of a continuation. ASTS now doing the same thing that BE did. CVV. If it didn't pop so big in pre-market, I would be more interested. But that one's got halt potential written all over it in my mind. Maybe if NIXX runs up through $1 nicely, check the locates. They are fine. Green. Z's green. Let's go. Doesn't look like it's going to do it. Well, Tim's going to TraderSync. Do I have to go watch that? TraderSync. I think I might be banned on their channel. Why do they have a potato? I'm extremely confused. Why there's a guy named Spudnik and he's a potato trading. Is anyone else confused? if you turn on Tradified stream. RDDT, a bit of a move here. See if he gets under 135. Need to get a payout so you can get back in stocks. Let's get it. Why is there a potato trading? I don't get it. Like, I get it. Peanut is the biggest streamer in the world right now. That doesn't mean you should copy him in the trading space. I don't get it. This is why you don't trust prop firms. Copy the trend. I mean, I guess he's on TradeSync, but how many people are watching this? 613? It's a good bit. But why is he a potato? It doesn't make sense. Can you imagine modeling yourself after a trading potato? Can you imagine that? I don't understand what's happening. Oh, I just turned myself into a whiskey bottle? That would be something. He has an eye for the future. Unbelievable. I was. This wasn't on my Tuesday bingo card. That was a good one, Scarman. Literally came on just to support Tim. I'm watching a talking trading potato. Yeah. When has Tim ever watched a talking potato for me? That's what I want to know. Not seeing my stuff, so you got nothing today so far? It's alright, that'll happen. It's been happening last couple weeks. Well, last week or so, really. It's felt slower overall. Unless you're a potato. Unless you're a potato. That is true, Z. Hey, back in the day, what's it that TikTok going around where it's like, I have no one that watches my channel these days, but one time, and it like flashback to my old channel. I really hope the potato stays on when Tim gets on. I want to see him interact with Mr. Potato. You found us from a Reddit post? Did I know this? I feel like maybe you've told me this before, but my brain is blanking. ANNA? I don't recall seeing that one. It does have a feature that it shows you all the alerts, but I don't have those up. So if you ever like wanted to back test, you can go through and look at all the alerts and everything. Was it a good Reddit post? Or was it a bad Reddit post? Oh, dang. Look at us. Tim probably made that list. I don't use Reddit, so I don't really know how Reddit works, but CVV, I'm tempted to take a small stab if it just makes a 5 push or something. Look for a little retrace here. But I just still don't love it. It just eclipsed through pre-market high there on that last move. You found me randomly? I found me randomly too. The day the muse died. PAVS locates are too expensive. Nice move there though. Hey, back in the day, my channel was bumping. My channel was bumping back in the day. When I used to do live streams, then I'd get up to like 250 people watching. Back in the heyday. Now I have 8. And I appreciate all 8 of you. Yeah, I'm back in the TradeNet days. Yeah, I still want to know what happened to Monkey. I just feel like he might have died. Whoa, RBNE getting a secondary push here. Tim Veshon. Do I want to take this again is the question. Ton of volume now at 29 million shares. He's talking to the potato. You're talking to a potato, Tim. They replaced you with a potato. Yeah, he definitely has me muted. I don't even think he has my stream on right now. I trade the pool account. I took one payout and then I YOLO'd it because I didn't care about it anymore because it was a waste of time because I had my own account and I wasn't getting like affiliate anything from it. So I just took my payout and then YOLO'd it into nothingness. Yep. It was good. I had no problems with them. I didn't like the daily loss limit was too tight for some of the things I like to do. So it was just like one of those things like, why am I doing this? I'm not getting anything from it. They asked me to be part of that, they've got like a March Madness thing going on right now. They asked me to be part of that, but I declined. I was like, I don't even use you guys right now, so I don't know what benefit this would be for either of us. But no issues with them. If you guys are using them or want to use them, I didn't have any problems. Yeah, that artificial slippage was the beginning of the end for them, and that's when I stopped supporting them. And that sucked because I was making at one point with TradeNet, at one point I was making like $5,000 a month in affiliate commissions with them. And then I cut that off overnight when they did all that. Cut that off overnight, so that sucked. But I was never able to find it. I think they went back and they deleted the live stream that it was on. But I remember there was a time when what's his name, Mir Barak was talking about how most traders are 3 cents in one direction away from being profitable or not profitable. And then a couple months later, it was that 3 cents in slippage that they installed. So I was never able to find it. I was trying to find it, but I just couldn't. I couldn't find it in any of this stuff, and it was taking forever to look through them all. But yeah, that was what killed it. I don't even think, are they around anymore? I guess they only do teaching in the live room now. They don't do any type of the accounts. Are they even still doing YouTube, TradeNet? Wait, did they get... Oh, Mir Barak, there he is. Hasn't even posted a video in a year. You think they still have stuff for non-US? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's filtered out based on my IP location or something, but... That's my only concern with Trade the Pool, honestly, is they're using the same background everything as TradeNet was using. So my only concern with Trade the Pool is, will they eventually just be the same? And the main guy is like the same kind of shady dude like that Mirror is. It's like this guy could be like a pseudo gangster or like a some type of serial killer. Well, are you short? How tall are you? Are you still watching? Are you able to see my comment, Z? I would love to know if I'm shadow banned on their chat. Because I talked some smack in one of their streams. You're 5'4", you're tiny, bro. You're not just short, you're tiny. You can see it? Not shadow banned. Bro, 5'4"? You need to get some stilts. Yeah, I was gonna say, can you even ride them now? Sorry, bro. Sorry about that short life. You're more likely to die reaching for a bowl and it falls on your head because you're too short than you are from a roller coaster. Better than being a potato. Yeah. Tim, you're talking to a freaking trading potato. He's even trying to talk like Peanut. Ugh. Cringy. CRSR getting some bond here. The range is not super. That's a 20-cent move between those two candles. He's probably not going to see it, but I'm going to text him right now. Tim. He's in my phone as Tim Pepperoni. I'm going to say, dog. You're talking to a fucking trading potato. Call him. Well, he's definitely not going to answer the phone while he's live. He's not even going to see the text until he's done, I'm pretty sure, but both of Nick and what's her name, Miriam, their trading rooms look cool. I guess that's what you got to do, boys, to get all the views these days. Be a fucking douchebag or be a trading potato. NBIS moving. See if it makes a nice flush under 112. They should be spuddies. Ha, get it? The only thing you have to actually do is type the word. I guess I have to enter just to see if I can finally win a race when Tim doesn't have me shadow banned from winning. One day, the music died. LUNR dropping. This one is the one I short traded yesterday. Maybe if it gives a nice flush of 19, I'll consider it. Look at your phone, Tim. Just do it. Look at your phone. Tomorrow on stream, I will be an asparagus. Ladies and gentlemen, letting everyone know right now, I will be an asparagus tomorrow. A carrot? I hate carrots. A carrot is one of my top 2 most disliked vegetables slash foods in the world. Carrots and green beans. Look. Absolutely gross. Carrot cake I can do. Because carrot cake doesn't taste like carrots. Just tastes like cinnamon cake, basically. And it's really moist if it's done right. An annoying orange. Froggo cake? Yeah, maybe I'll be a frog. Settle down, small fry. Listen, if I want to be a frog or an asparagus, ain't nobody's gonna stop me. Except for me, because I ain't doing none of that. I'm gonna go heat up my lunch real quick. Be right back. You have to say a rabbit every time you enter a trade. You have that trademarked. Oh, well, if you start streaming as a frog, sir, I will watch. Trying to trademark only made in the USA trademark, and only if you're above 5'5". Otherwise, it doesn't count. Bro, I ain't gonna let you live that one down now. On a good day, you're 6'6". Yeah. I haven't gotten anything since the open, have I? I guess technically I closed RB&E after the open. I don't know why I hate this potato so much. Ooh, ORBS. See if it gets over 110. Push a little more here. I think I've traded this one recently. All right, here comes 110. Watching it. Is it going to get through? Here we go. Put an order out here at 114. All right, in a starter here, ORBS at 114. See if it gets through 120. Put them out at 104 in case it makes a flash flush. What about SE? I don't know. What about it? All right, can I get through the highs here? Make a move through 120 for an ad. FOUR also making a little bit of a move that I'm watching. All right, let's see if we can get it down again under 120 ORBS. It's kind of stalled out here on me. Well, if this thing comes back down some, I may just close it because it's doing a whole lot of nothing here. All right, I'm going to bring the order up to 111 just to see if I can close this. Because it's doing a whole lot of nothing here. I'm still okay with adding if it goes again, but it's certainly not the pullback I was hoping for on that initial surge. All right, just closing it out there. Maybe it flushes, maybe it doesn't, but it's not acting how I want it to, so just going to take this one off. Really? You son of a bitch. That's all right. That's all right. Still the right play. What time is it? 10:42. I would love to make $5 more and get to a $300 day. CRCL. Oh, I think I looked at. Oh my god. What happened to them today? Software getting hit again? Not like CRCL is, though. NTU. Now. Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be a no trade for me. Yeah, both of mine were in pre-market. Ray and RB&E. Well, I guess RB&E I closed out as the market opened because it popped a few minutes before and then dumped into the open. Ray was good though. Oh, can't see it good. It's Raya, Raya. What did it end up doing? Yeah, look at that pre-market move there. BRX. BRX. There's a dumper. Good old biotech dump. And Tradify stream died. They would lose power and the stream dies on the day that Tim's on. That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. I don't know, boys. I'm pretty tired. I'm about ready to go to sleep, so I think we'll probably end it on that note. 3 for 3 today. Almost $300. Be back at it again tomorrow, same place, same time, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Start here on the stream. Appreciate everybody that stopped today. I had a good chat going on, which is always makes it easier to stream for me because I can actually say things out loud with my mouth. Yeah, I'm on nights right now, so I'm pretty tired. Just like Forrest Gump would say, I'm pretty tired. So, hope you all have a great one, and I'll catch you later.